Okay, this is Goldie Saucy, Basic 7. We had a lesson on how to model a clay. That is media and techniques in visual arts. So we did clay modeling in class. I asked them to also go home and practice it. So this is her work. I want her to tell us how she did it.
First, I start First, I start. And the topic of this week is clay mold. And the technique I used was I started rolling my clay. After rolling my clay, then I put it in the clay form. That's how I did it. Then I got this shape. I started I was using the roll, I was rolling the clay. Then after rolling the clay, I used the clay in the coiling form. After using the clay in the coiling form, as I was doing it, it was getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Then when it reached the ending part, I started making it small. That's how I did it.
All right, thank you. So what technique did you use? What what technique did you use to mold the shape of your clay or to form this particular form that you are molding?
I used
The quelling technique. Okay. And then what are the other materials you added to?
I used clay.
What other material did you add to the clay? What?
Water.
Water. Okay. So this is Goldie as she has narrated or tell us how she built the clay modeling she's having, which is a pot, and it's very nice. This is Debbie Avenue RC Basic, and then I'm the facilitator for creative arts, Madam Shela Namisem Educhumwa. Thank you. And so how did you transport it? And so I said take it. Oh. So this are the display of our clay work, clay molding, a visual artifacts. Material used are the clay as a natural soil, and then with our hand building techniques, coiling, rolling, etc. All right, so we have Ramatu what? Abulai. So she's going to tell us how she also built her clay model.
Firstly, I go by the name Ramatu Abdullah. I mean, basic 7. How I did my clay was that firstly, I got some clay, then I crushed it, then I conditioned it. After then I cleaned it. Then I started by rolling it. When I finished, then I took it under a shade. Then I did it in the coiling form. That's how I made it.
All right, thank you. Have I asked you to put it down? How did you prepare your clay? How did you prepare the clay for the modeling?
Firstly, I went to get some clay, then I crushed it. After crushing, then I soaked it under a sink. After some time, then I came back again and then I came and moved it into the coil.
All right, thank you. So when you went for the soil, what was the texture?
It was rough.
Rough and hard. So you needed to what? Crush or working. Well done. So this is Ramatu, one of my learners. The same class, when we did a lesson, I asked them to also practice it, which she did. So this is her work, nicely molded. Yes. Thank you, Ramatu. Start. So, what's your name?
My name is Joao Ali.
How did you made what you are holding? What is it? The earthenware. Okay,
I went from this. Then I went from this to add water to it. Adding the water, then I put it on the material. Then later, when I go and fed the soil, I add water. When I add water, I put it on the material. Then add a shade. Add a shade too. And send it in. And put my egg on.
all right. You go and bring your work again. Hey, hold it and stay there. Who did the oven? Come. Whose work is this? Miss, this one. I don't have the same video. Miss, can you express yourself well? Eh? Start. Quick, it's come. So when I start video, you will tell us your name and then what you have done, how you prepare it, and then the name of what the materials you use. Talk your name, tell me what you did. Shout. Shout.
I pick two buckets, then I crush it to pieces, then I pour it inside the bucket, then I add the water, then I stir it. After stirring it, then I sieve it. After sieving it, then I put it down for 1 day. Then the next day, I take the bag, then pour it inside. Then I hang it under a shade. After hanging it, I leave it for 2 days. After 2 days, then I came to prepare my food.
So what is the method you use?
Rolling.
You said
That means I use rolling.
rolling. And you did, how did you make the hole there?
That means I
You pinch it. So pinching techniques, rolling and pinching technique. So this is called what? Oven. How do you call it in the local? What? Phone. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Start. Shout. Shout.
My name is and I'm village kitchen. Village kitchen. And I use my plate to
Shout.
I use my clay to mold garden, and I use it to mold the well. Now,
So what techniques did you use?
I use egg
Kneading. Okay.
rolling,
Rolling. All right. So this is Ruby with her work. So she has been able to create an artifact to solve a problem in the village. Said the village, there is a woman who doesn't have a kitchen, so she decided to solve that problem using the material clay to create a kitchen which has coal pot, a wall, and all the utensils that are used to cook. And then around the kitchen, she has her garden. The grass is there, the flowers, and then a tree. That's very nice. So she's also in basic 8. All right. So these are few of the work that we have done. They have done very, very well. Let's clap for them. Let's give them the champagne clap. Again. And then let us add the love clap. So these are a few other ones. We have iron, a saucer, which is cup, tea cup. We also have the kitchen set, that is the traditional cook stove, the pots there. We have garden. Yes. The learners have created or made different forms based on what we learned. Elements of design. They have the line, the shape, the form. Yes. They have created shape, form. They have different colors. And then they apply the principles, movement, unity to create an artifact. That is a visual artifact to solve a particular problem. This is also a traditional cook stove with the stick or the firewood inside and the food in the saucepan on it. Nice one, made by them. Alright, what have you learned today? Yes. You have learned about clay. And then, yes, cramping. How to prepare clay. Aquatia.
I've learned about some of the tools of molding.
Some of the tools used in molding and clay. Iris. Alright, so she has also learned that the material used in clay molding is what? Clay and water. Go the final one. What have you learned today? Yes, clay is an example of the materials used in what? Making or molding a form. Alright, so we will end our lesson here. Sorry, thank you very much for your participation and the demonstrational way. I believe next time when we can, we'll be able to build a big form, right? Without clay. So I will encourage you that, or ask you to get some of the clay soil, enough of them, prepare it down, keep them. Don't put them under the sun. I'll tell you when to bring them, then we'll also do it in the class. Okay? Alright, so let's start ourselves.